Hi, today we're going to be making a whipped cream, and so I have, this is Country Crock, this is their heavy cream. This is a plant-based heavy cream, and I'm going to add this into the bowl, into a mixing bowl here, and this is an electric mixer, so there's that. And next I have, this is a 1/4 cup of powdered sugar. And this is stevia powdered sugar, so it's a plant-based again. And then I got, this is a vanilla paste, not extract. I'm not a big fan of the alcohol that's in the extracts. Oh, sorry, 2 teaspoons of the vanilla extract. I measured this out a couple days ago, so let's see if I can. And the vanilla extract is a lot thicker. So that looks better. To show you what this looks like, that's what it looks like.